Introducing hydrogen at airport ecosystem is still facing several issues from different perspectives, like infrastructure, technology, but above all from authorization and procedure for different countries.
Today, hydrogen aviation is facing several hurdles. One of them is the change of fuel. It's not just a fuel swap, but the airports will need to have some adaptation to host liquid hydrogen. Secondly, we will need some operational efficiency. Indeed, liquid hydrogen refueling will need to be exhibiting turnaround time similar as the one we have for kerosene today. And the third challenge will be regulatory barriers, and we will need to have a uniform and consistent regulation throughout Europe.
The main challenge is not the hydrogen technology itself, but is integration in a regulated and safety critical environmental like airports. This requires alignment between different stakeholders, fire brigade, regulators, industry and airport operators.
Within ALRIGH project, we are working at different levels for the technology point of view, for developing new components for aviation sector, but also for demonstrating this solution in a real environment. We have two different demonstrations, one in Milano Malpensa, where we are going to demonstrate liquid hydrogen refueling with a real aircraft mock-up, and in Paris-Orly, in which we are going to demonstrate a complete turnaround with a ground equipment vehicle fed by hydrogen.
In GOLIAT, we are trying to match these hurdles by collaborating with various partners, and we have a lot of airports in our project, and having all these airports within our project is allowing us to face different constraints, different national regulation, and to be able to give guidance to adapt to all of them. And also, liquid hydrogen will need to be scaled up, and that's what also we are trying to demonstrate with the development of a high-flow refueler in the frame of GOLIAT project. It means in the next 2 years we will be testing a liquid hydrogen refueler at high flow rates.
OLGA has been a real turning point for us. At the beginning of the project, hydrogen was just a promising idea. Thanks to OLGA, we gain access to European funds, European experts and partnership. So we can move from an original idea to a vision at long term.
For the future, we think that there are still several challenges, above all considering the lack of alignment and harmonization among different European countries for the authorization procedure. And we will be very involved in the new project for working for the demonstration of hydrogen in airport ecosystem, and also for enabling the use of hydrogen in aviation sector.
To make hydrogen a reality in the European airports, we need an standardization and from European level and national level. We also need a more clear regulatory frameworks, so we can proceed under a controlled environmental and testing pilot.